coin. Before starting the video, I'll just tell you that there are many crypto exchanges which will let you buy the NU coin. But the most important thing which you have to keep in mind is that the exchange which you're preferring or which you're opting for should be safe and reliable. It doesn't make any sense like if you're buying coins worth rupees, say suppose $10 million or some $1 million or just even $1,000. So you don't want to put any of your money in a crypto exchange which has no future. So I'll suggest you to buy with Binance. Binance is one of the most safest and most reliable crypto exchange across the world, and the commissions which they charge are also nominal. And the interesting part here to know is that if you are joining to Binance from our discounted commission plan, then you'll be getting discounts on every transaction you make. So for doing that, what you have to do is you have to click on this link, Binance registration, and then you have to fill the registration form with your email ID, password, and the referral ID. The referral ID has to do a lot of things here. Like this is my referral ID. If you're registering yourself with this referral ID, I'll be getting commission for this, and also you guys will be getting discounts on every trade commission you have to like pay to Binance. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. So you can just simply click on the link, provide your details, and register on Binance. I'll provide this link down in the description below. Once you are registered on Binance, what you have to do is you have to go to the Binance website. You have to log into your account, and as soon as you log in, you have to go to the trade section. And once you're in the trade section, you can find all the coins which are listed here. This is the NU coin, and this is with respect to the BTC. So for purchasing BTC, what you have to do is you have to provide the amount of NU which you have to buy. You have to quote the rate of transaction, like price, and then you have to click on buy NU coin. So once you make a successful transaction, you'll get the NU coins in your wallet, and that's it. So it's very easy. I'll show you the how to go to the trade section. So this is a Binance homepage. Once you log in, you'll be accessing to this one, and here you have to go to the trade. I use a classic window because I'm used to it. So just go here, search for the coin which you have to use, and that's it. Like if you have to purchase NU, you can just simply search NU, and this is BTC, USDT, or any other currency. So just click here, and that's it. And for putting BTC in your Binance wallet, you can either send from other crypto exchange, or like you can also make the transactions with your credit or debit card. So that's it. This is very simple. So I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.